American Airlines. So today we're gonna. What is it? What are we gonna do today? American Airlines. So we volunteer for winter fest. That's the English right now.
To be honest, I don't even know why are we volunteer for. So right now I'm in the bathroom. So we're gonna change when those t-shirts they give us that says American Airlines. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on. Let's get in that video. Let's see what are we gonna do today. Let's have fun. I guess.
Y'all can see in my shirt, this is American Airlines. This is two of my friends right here. They volunteer. This is Lewinsky. This is Jordan. So shout out to him. What's your Instagram?
One YBNG Jordan.
Yeah. So shout out to him.
Today we are inside on 777. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of the 777.
Right now we are in the cargo area. This is where all your baggage go. When you have luggage, stores, stuff like that, this is one of my friends right here. We working here. Like when you have
Luggage,
boxes,
dogs, cats.
dogs, blah blah blah.
This is where all of them goes. All
Yeah.
this is it.
See, this behind me, these stairs. If you go upstairs in the airplane, this is where the flight attendants sleep up there. Let me go show you.
We're going upstairs now. This is where they sleep. I guess I don't know. Look at this. Look at that little room. This rest when they have a long flight. This is where they have some little turn off the light. So it's really dark in here. So I'm trying to turn on the light. Look at this. This I can't even sleep if I want to because it's so big. Look at this. Look at all those spaces. That's a lot of space. The light. Look at this. Oh. And then this thing I don't know what they do. So this is the back of the airplane. This is where the flight attendants sleep. So that's the back of all of this is the back of the airplane. This is where they prepare the food, stuff like that, and that's where they put all the food right here inside the cabin. I guess it's like this is where the coffee goes, stuff like that. And if you walk in here, like right here, this is the back of the airplane. This is like if you don't have much money, stay here and chill. They have a little screen right. That screen right here, you can type it, you can swipe, blah blah blah. You can see where the plane are. You can type it and see where the plane are. You can watch movie if you want to. Anything you wanna do.
Pretty small, and then you got a little remote.
So this is where if you're gonna call the flight attendants or stuff like that, you just press that button. Then this is gonna happen. Then you just swap it, and then you call whatever you wanna call. And then there's a remote too here if you don't wanna use the touch screen, cause this touch screen too. So that's the bathroom. It's really small, very very small. This is another one. This is another place. So this is the
I think that's
business class.
first class. I guess I can call
think
it, but I don't
that's
really know
how
much
that's-
about planes
that's the name of
like
it.
that. So this is you got a touchscreen right here, but the seats are different now. It's not the same as you pick one. Behind me, is the first class. You will see it. Oh, it's really some shit. So sorry. So right now we are in first class.
This is first class. This is all they can do. Let me show you.
Turn me up, Z.
This is a little TV in first class. Look at it. You can open it, you can close it. That's the best thing of it.
This is so like I don't know.
All I'm gonna say is that I tried to make that video short as possible because I was so busy. I didn't really record that much too because I was so busy that day too. So anyway, this is the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate it. I have one more thing to say. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and tell me in the next video like what kind of video y'all wanna see, what kind of thing y'all wanna see. Please don't forget to like and stay tuned for the next video.